It has now been over 2 months now since the Starpoint wrestling season was canceled and 2 students were removed from the school. Well, tonight the legal process continues to linger on after a lawsuit was filed by the parents and guardians of 2 students who were actually removed from the school. Starpoint School District tried to have that case moved to federal court. 20 News Side's Nate Benson has more on what a federal judge decided tonight. Nate, what's the latest?
Yes, Scott, U.S. District Court Judge Lawrence Velardo ruled that the Starpoint School District failed to prove a federal court had jurisdiction in this case.
I couldn't believe that the school district even filed a notice to remove it from state court.
On February 28th, attorneys for 2 students who were removed from Starpoint High School under emergency circumstances filed a lawsuit against the district to find out why exactly they were removed. According to a 15-page decision from a federal judge, the district believed that because the 2 students were removed from school over a Title IX sexual harassment allegation, only a federal court could hear the case.
They believed that because it was under the rubric of Title IX, that this would be perceived as a federal issue.
But Judge Velardo thought otherwise.
They fell way short of it.
This stems from a series of events that started on February 8th after Superintendent Dr. Sean Croft announced the wrestling season was being canceled. Then, the 2 students were removed under a Title IX violation. Allegedly, sexual harassment took place 2 separate occasions in January, at a practice on school grounds and one at a private facility. During the hearing in U.S. District Court, the judge asked the school district for specifics of the allegations, according to the attorney for the accused students.
The hearing lasted nearly an hour, and the same question was asked over and over.
But the district did not provide the specifics, or at least enough to convince the judge to accept the case in federal court. Citing other case law, Judge Velardo ruled that the Starpoint School District did not raise substantial federal issues. And without a substantial federal issue, this court lacks federal question jurisdiction.
All we're saying is that the removal of these 2 young men was arbitrary and capricious, that the school district did not clearly indicate why they were removing them.
And because there was no substantial federal issue raised, Judge Velardo sent the case back to the state Supreme Court in Niagara County.
And here we are 2 months later asking the same question and still not getting an answer. It's ridiculous in my opinion.
I reached out to the school district for comment tonight, but did not get a response. Back in March, the Niagara County Sheriff's Office did charge the 2 students with non-criminal violations of harassment in the 2nd degree. But as the attorneys for the students point out, the charges are non-criminal nor sex-related in nature. In the newsroom, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.